Good morning, students of class 9. Welcome back to the online classes. Today we'll do English. The new lesson, Kezia, the Little Girl. It's written by Catherine Mansfield. In our previous class yesterday, we talked about the little girl was so much afraid with her father because of his giant figure. Whenever her father was not at home, she used to shout, she used to run around, make a lot of noise. But as long as her father was at home, she never used to speak a word. She was very much silent, and even if she speaks, she used to stammer or stutter all the time. She used to repeat the words many times. So now let's see when her father used to go to work. Her father was a successful businessman. Every morning he used to go to work very early. Before going to his work, he used to give a casual kiss to Kezia, and she used to reply her, "Goodbye, father." That's all. And when she could hear the carriages, the sound of the carriages growing fainter and fainter and fainter, there was a sigh of relief. He used to feel relieved. Now here, after that, there was a sense of relief when a father goes out for work. Early in the morning, her father used to work, and there was a sense of relief. She used to feel relieved. After that, what happened? In the evening, whole day she used to play in the house, make a lot of noise, hue and cry in the house. But in the evening, when her father returns, when he returns home, she could hear his loud voice in the hall. Her house had a two stories, and father used to enter the house down in the first floor. She could hear her father calling, "Bring my tea." As he entered the house, he used to say, "Mother, bring my tea." "Hasn't the paper come yet?" "Where is the newspaper?" "Hasn't the newspaper come yet? Today's newspaper?" "Mother, go and bring my slippers." As her father entered the house, he used to ask various questions. "Hasn't the paper come yet? Where is today's newspaper? Bring them here." "Mother, go bring a cup of tea." In this way. So Kezia used to listen from the second floor, from the stairs. Mother used to call Kezia and says, Mother used to call, "Kezia, come down. If you are a good girl, come down and take off father's boots." Mother, she used to call Kezia and say, "Kezia, if you are a good girl, please come down and take your father's boots. Your father is very tired after working whole day. You come down and take off your father's boots." Slowly the girl would slip down. Slip means very slowly. She used to slip down the stairs. She didn't want to, but mother was calling her. So slowly the girl would slip down the stairs. More slowly still, across the hall. When she reached the first floor, she used to walk more slowly, and she used to push the door slowly open and peeped inside. Oh, father was reading there. The hall, and push open the drawing room door and used to peep inside the hall. By that time, father had his glasses on. Glasses means spectacles. By that time, father had put on his glasses and used to read the newspaper, that day's newspaper, in the evening, because he had no time in the morning, so he had to go to the work. He had his glasses on and looked at her over the spectacle. Over means like this way, not like this, over the spectacles, like this. He used to look at her over the spectacles in such a way that really terrified the girl. The girl was very much terrified when her father looks over the spectacles as he was reading the newspaper. That really terrified her. She used to get very much afraid. Father says, every day in the evening, father used to say, Kezia, hurry up, you haven't eaten anything? It seems that you don't have any energy. Why are you walking so slowly like that? Come now, come fast. So, Kezia, hurry up and pull off these boots. Father used to lie down on the sofa, or chair, or sofa, and he used to tell Kezia, take off these boots and take them outside. Take these boots out and put them outside. Have you been a good girl today? Father used to ask the question. Have you been a good girl today? I hope you have not troubled your mother. Have you been a good girl today? I don't know, father. She used to stammer now. You see that? She used to stammer, stutter. I don't know, father. Like this. She used to stammer. Father used to tease her again. Father teasing. You don't know? In this way, father used to tease her. And father says, if you stutter like that, if you keep on stammering like that, I think mother will have to take you to the doctor. Why are you stammering? But Kezia never used to stutter or stammer in front of other people. Only in front of the father she used to stutter or stammer, because she was very much afraid and nervous. That's why she used to stammer in front of her father. But during the day, when her father was not at home, she never used to stutter with other people. She used to speak well, nicely. But with her father, since she was nervous and afraid of her father, she used to stammer very much. So now we'll continue our lesson in our next class. So read this out. You have the book, you can read it out and do regular studies at home. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you very much for watching the video.